The compounding dynamics of AuDHD and C-PTSD in seniors. To understand their needs, one must understand how these conditions interact, conflict, and compound each other within an aging body and mind. The internal tug-of-war, AuDHD. The autistic profile deeply craves routine, predictability, order, and microstructure. Conversely, the AuDHD profile craves novelty, stimulation, spontaneity, and dopamine. This creates a perpetual internal conflict where the individual is simultaneously bored by routine and paralyzed by chaos. The trauma baseline, C-PTSD. Because they grew up in an era of, say, the 60s, 70s, and 80s, when level 1 autism and inattentive combined ADHD were rarely recognized, these seniors spent decades being labeled as lazy, defiant, spaced out, or overly sensitive. They forced themselves to mask, consciously or unconsciously, suppressing their natural autistic behaviors and ADHD traits to survive socially. Decades of chronic masking, chronic rejection, and environmental invalidation structurally alter the nervous system, resulting in C-PTSD. The aging factor. As the brain and body age, the sheer cognitive energy required to maintain this complex web of masking and compensation naturally declines. Executive function drops, sensory thresholds lower, and the physical toll of a lifetime of chronic stress manifests bodily. What looked like coping at age 40 often completely collapses into profound burnout by age 60. The top 10 level 1 support needs of an AuDHD senior with C-PTSD. The term needs in level 1 autism does not imply a lack of independence. Rather, it refers to the environmental, psychological, and systemic scaffolding required to prevent systemic breakdown. Here are the top 10 interconnected needs of this population, why they exist, what happens if they are unmet, and real-world examples.